Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can join Discord server with expired link. So if you're trying to click on the link which is expired and trying to join the Discord server, you cannot. So basically how this thing works is, let's say I want to invite somebody on my Discord server. I click on the three dot at the top right and I click on invite. And over here you can see the setting option. If I click on it, I can choose when I want this to expire. If I have chosen 7 days, 12 hours, 6 hours, after this time period the link will expire, they won't be able to join. But if I click on never, click on save, and then I share this link, it doesn't matter how long it has been, people can still join my server using that link. But let's say the link you clicked on is expired, then the only way to join that server is to contact a person who is already in that server to send you an invitation link. Because once the link is expired, you can't do anything. It's as simple as that. You just have to contact the owner or people who's inside the Discord server and ask them to send you a link, and through that link only you can join. Now this is the only way, okay? So I hope you understand how you guys can join Discord server with expired link. You just have to contact the members of the Discord. There is no other way. So I hope you understand. Hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys in my next video.